going on, YouTube? It's Blood Sweat and Gears 87. I'm out here trying to do some turkey hunting, and I've been going for like a month now. This turkey season started March 20th, and now it is April 21st. I haven't had any luck, like at all. But the land that I hunt on is just not that many turkeys, so don't have many opportunities. But I'm gonna go out here and give it another try. See if we see anything. I believe it's about 85 degrees right now, so it's pretty hot. And just gonna see how it goes. See if I can turn this around so you guys can see me. Yeah, I'm walking back here. Some family-owned land. We have a few paths cut out through here. This is where I do most of my deer hunting videos. But like I say, it's not a lot of turkeys back here. But every now and then I get a few on my trail camera, so I figured it was worth a shot. Don't know if they're back here, but we're gonna go see what happens. And I usually only hunt private land, but since the season is coming to an end, I think tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to some WMA public land and see how that goes. I've never hunted public land, period, but I've been having terrible luck with the turkeys this year, so I decided I'd give it a try. So me and a buddy are gonna go to some public land that's in Windsor, South Carolina, and see how it goes. If I don't see anything today, hopefully I get some footage tomorrow, or one of us gets a bird on the ground. But I don't know, it's been a rough season. It's been a rough season. Turkey season is always rough for me. I've never got a long beard. But I'm gonna keep at it, and hopefully we'll have something to show you guys. Hopefully we'll get one on the ground eventually. But see how it goes. And this is the gun that I'm going to be using to hunt the turkeys with. It's a Mossberg 835 OT mag turkey gun. It's a 12 gauge. And I have a Weaver caps. I have to look up the name of it. I forgot what it was. I believe it's a Weaver KASPA. Pretty sure it's the KASPA or the KASPA made by Weaver. And that camo has a mossy oak obsession finish to match the shotgun. Alright, let me keep walking. Now, I usually don't see turkeys out here, but if they are going to be out here, they're going to be in the woods on the other side of this field over here. So I'm gonna go set up in those woods and do a couple calls, see if we hear anything. I kind of doubt it, but it's worth a try. So we're gonna go over there and set up, do a few calls, see if we hear or see anything. And if not, we'll try again on the public land in the morning in Windsor. But here we go. It's definitely worth a try because I've seen them out here before. Alright, I'm about to do a little calling, see what happens. Alright, we didn't see any turkeys at the last spot, so went on to another piece of property that my family owns, and I usually see tracks out here, but I don't see any turkeys, so I figured I'd come give it a shot. It's about, I believe it's about like 6:15, something like that, and gonna walk back here. It's a piece of land where the trees were cleared off, and the turkey tracks are usually headed that way, so we're gonna walk back here and see what's going on, see if we see anything, see if we see any tracks or hear any gobblers. I think I'm still gonna try a few more spots. I have a few guys, one of my buddies in Florence and another buddy that's in Windsor. I'm gonna try to go with them and see what happens. But it's only 2 weeks left. It's looking all bad, but hopefully we turn it around these last 2 weeks. We'll see what happens. I'm out here on some public land in Windsor, South Carolina, trying to see if we can't get a turkey. I've been out here since around 6:30 this morning, and there was a turkey gobbling this morning. It was only one that I heard gobbling, and I started making my way towards them. And I think I got too close. I think I spooked them. Something spooked them. If it wasn't me, it must have been a coyote or something. But I saw him running away, so I came to another spot out here on the public land, and I'm looking around. This looks like a pretty good spot right here. I'm gonna try calling, see if we see anything. Let's see how it goes.